Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. So today once again we will start our topic and today we will start chapter number 3rd and this is coding and decoding. Okay, already we have done two chapters. First one we have done number series and second one we have done logical sequence of words, and today we will start our third chapter and this is coding and decoding. So what is coding and decoding, beta? So first of all you have to know about the coding. So code is a system of signal. Okay, what is code? Code is a system of signal. Okay, this is a system of signal and it is the method of transmitting a message between sender and receiver. Okay, it is the method of transmitting a message between sender and receiver without knowing a third person. Okay, so what is coding? Coding is a system of signal and we will transmit the message from sender and receiver without knowing the third person. So this is coding. Coding is a system of signal. It is the method of transmitting a message. Okay, it is the method of transmitting a message between sender and receiver without knowing the third person. So this is called the coding. So in the coding we will do about the number system coding. Okay, first we will do number system coding, second one we will do alphabet coding. Okay, so first one beta we will do the number system coding. In number system coding will be will divide in three types. Okay, first one we will do direct coding. In second we will do in relation to position of letter in English alphabet. Clear? And third one we will do as per given set of rules. So first one we will do the number system coding, and in number system coding first part we will do A part. This is direct coding. Okay, direct the numbers or alphabets are given and it is written in this language. After that what will be that answer. Okay, so first we will do the direct coding. After that second one in relation to position of letter in English alphabet. Third one as per given set of rules. Clear all of you? So one by one we will start. So first we will do the direct coding. Clear all of you? First we will do direct coding. So in the direct coding what is given beta? So I am telling you in direct coding what will we do. So direct coding beta, direct coding it means it will be like that. For example, direct coding will be like that. For example, I am writing in direct coding. What will you do? In direct coding A part, first for example question is given in a certain code, clear? In a certain code what is given? One is written as S, 7 as E, 9 is written as H, 9 is written as H, 6 is written as L, O is written as 0, and 2 is written as O. Is it clear? In a certain code I is written, 1 is written as S, 7 is written as E, 9 is written as H, 6 L, O, 0 T and 2 is O. Clear? So you have to tell how is 92176 coded in letters. Okay, so in direct coding question will be like that. First of all it is written, some numbers are written in letters. You have to tell after that how this number coded in letters. So in the question it is written in a certain code. 1 is written as S, 7 is written as E, 9 is written as H, 6 is written as L, O, 0 is written as T, 2 is written as O. So you have to tell 921076 coded in the letter. Clear? So beta first of all for solution simply you will write 1 is written as S, 7 E, next third one 9 H, 6 L, 0 T and 2 is written O. Clear? So you have to tell 921076 is written in the letter. Okay, what is written in this letter? 921076 is written in the letter will be equal to, so 9. So 9 is representing by which letters? H. So you can say it will be H. 2 is representing by which letter? O. So H O. 1 is representing by the letter S. 0 is representing by the letter T. 7 is representing by the letter E and 6 is representing by the letter this one. Okay, 6 as L. This is L. Clear? So this is L. So 9210 in a certain code in the letters, what will be that? This is HOSTEL, or you can say hostel. Okay. So in a certain code 921076 coded in the letter, so you can say it will be HOSTEL. So this is direct coding. Okay. Numbers are written in the alphabet, so you have to tell in last these numbers should be written in the letters. Which letters? Okay. So this is already given in the question. One is written as S. So at the place of 1 you can write S. At the place of 7 you can write E. At the place of 9 you can write H. 6 you can write as L. O. Sorry, this is 0. 0 is written as T. 2 is written as O. So like that 92106, what will be the code? So it will be HOSTEL. So this will be your answer, hostel. Clear? So this is direct coding. Okay. For example, second question in the direct coding. Second question is given. Tree is coded as 7100. Second, tree is coded as 7100. Second question in direct coding. FROG, frog, is coded as 2159. Clear? So FREE is coded as which letter? Clear? You have to tell tree is coded as, in second question, second example, what is given beta? Tree is coded as 7100. Frog is coded as 2159. It means at the place of TREE. TREE. Okay. So you can say tree. Okay. This one is coded as 7100. Okay. And second FROG is coded as 2159. So you have to tell FREE is coded as. Okay. So beta you can write FREE, and this is given already in the question. At the place of F, what is given? At the F is coded as the number 2. So at the place of F you can write 2, and you can write here also. Next one R. So R is coded as 1 in both the numbers. You can say frog and tree. So R is coded as 1 here also, here also. So at the place of R you can write 1. Double E. So double E, at the place of double E you can see here 0 0. Okay. So it means 0 and 0. So FREE free will be coded as 2100. Not in letters, in alphabet, in numbers beta. Okay. 3 is coded as. You have to tell. Okay. 3 is coded as by which number? Because 3 is coded as the number 7100. FROG is coded as 2159. So you have to tell FREE is coded as. Okay. So this will be coded as. So you can see TREE. This is at the place of T7. R1EE00, F2 R105G9. So free. All the numbers, all the letters are already given in the question. So at the place of F, what is given? You can see the number it is given 2. At the place of R, 1. At the place of E and E, so it will be 0 and 0. So you can say it will be 2100. This will be your answer. Okay. So this is better direct coding. Okay. What is this? This is direct coding. How will you do the direct coding? So like that. Clear? For example, one more example we will see in direct coding. One more example we can see. For example, third example is given. Rain, RAIN is coded as. Rain is coded as. Rain is coded as $8 percentage 6. Clear? And more. MORE is coded as. MOR is coded as 7 hash 8 at the rate. Clear? After that you have to tell remain is coded as. Remain is coded as which number? Okay. Remain is coded as which number? So this is direct coding. Already all the codes are given in the questions. Okay, so you can say at the place of R A I N you can write R is coding as 8. Okay, so you can write like that solution R A I N. So R is coded as 8. This one dollar. This one A I. Okay, this is I. So I is coded as percentage and M is coded as 6. Clear? So now you can see more. MORE. This is already given. More is coded as at the place of M it is 7. O is coded as hash and R is coded as 8 and E is coded at the rate. Clear? At the rate. Clear beta? $8 percentage 6. Okay, this one is 6. 7 has 8 and at the rate. Now you have to tell remain. REMAIN is coded as. Okay, so R at the place of R you can write 8 because in the rain and in more R is coded as 8. So at the place of R you will write 8. E. So E is coded as at the rate. So you will write at the rate. M is coded as 7. So at the place of M you will write 7. Next A is coded as dollar. So you will put the sign of dollar. Next I is coded as percentage. So you will do the percentage sign. And next N is coded as 6. So you can write 6. So this will be your correct answer. 8 at the rate, $7 percentage and 6. Clear? So remain will be coded as 8 at the rate, $7 percent 6. So this is direct coding beta. Okay, I have told you 3 examples of direct coding. So like that you have to do the practice of more and more questions. Okay, from the direct coding. If any number is coded as the letters or alphabets or by any symbol, so you have to select in the question this number is coding, this letter is coding by which letter, which number and symbol. Okay, so you can see in the questions and after that you can give the answer easily. Clear? Now second one. Okay, the second rule we will do. So what is given second? In relation to position of letters in English alphabet. Okay, second one we will do. So second one after direct coding, second is given in the number system coding. First one we have done, this is direct coding. Now second is given. Second, what is given beta? Second, it is given in relation to position. In relation to position. In relation to position of letters. In relation to position of letter in English alphabet. Okay, in English alphabet. Second one, first one we have in number system coding we are doing, and in the number system 3 types of coding are there. First one is direct coding. Second one is in relation to position of letter in English alphabet. So you know beta there are how many total letters are there in English alphabet? So total letters in English alphabets. How many total letters are there in English alphabet? So you can say this 26. How many total letters are there? 26 letters. After that, if you will start from A, okay. So start from, if you are starting from A, so you can say it will be left hand side. And if you are starting from Z, start from Z, so you can say you are starting from right hand side. Okay, right hand side. Clear all of you? Okay, so in English alphabet you know all of you know A to Z how many letters are there? Total 26 letter. A, B, C, D, E, like that up to Z. Okay, X, Y, Z. Clear? Dot. So you can write these are the letters of English alphabet. If you are starting from A, it means left hand side. You are starting from the left hand side of the alphabets. And if you are starting from Z, so you can say it will be right hand side of the alphabet. Clear beta? If you are starting from here, so it will be right hand side. If you are starting A, it means if you are starting from the alphabet A, so it will be left hand side, and if you are starting from the last letter and you can start from Z, so it will be right hand side of the letters. Clear all of you? After that, what is the coding? Okay, coding of the letters. So you know, all of you know very well beta. Okay, A is at one place, B will be at second place because there are total 26 alphabets. How many alphabets? 26 alphabets. Okay, not alphabet, letter. Okay, there are total 26 letters in the alphabet. So simply one simple coding I am telling you. So first one beta, you can learn E J O T Y. Okay, you can learn E J O T Y first code, and second one you can learn B Z L Q V. These two letters you can learn. So if you will start from left hand side, okay, if you are starting from A, from the letter A, and if you are starting from the left hand side, so you can say E will be at 5th position, J will be at 10th position, 15, 20, and this will be at 25th position. Is it clear? If you are starting from the left hand side, or you can say if you are starting from the letter A, so you can say E will be at 5th position, J will be at 10th position, O will be 15th position, T will be 20th position, and Y will be at 25th position. So you can learn these letter, and this one name E J O T Y. So these are the numbers position: 5th position, 10th, 15th, 20, and 25th. This is from left hand side of the alphabet. Okay, from letter A. Now if you are writing B Z L Q V, so these are the from right hand side. Okay, these are from right hand side. So 25, it is 20th place. This one is 15th place, 10th place, and 5th place. Okay, this is from right hand side. Okay, if you are starting from right hand side is from letter Z. So B will be at 5th place, Q will be 10th place, L will be 15th place, G will be 20th place, and B will be 25th place, because after B it will be first letter A, and A will be 26th letter. Okay, so if you are starting from the right hand side or from last, okay, so it will be, it means you are starting from Z. So if you are starting from Z, so B will be at 5th position, Q will be 10th position, L will be 15th position, G will be 20th position, B will be 25th position. Okay, so these two letters you can learn beta. Okay, so you can easily find out the letter alphabet. Okay, now we will see the example in relation to position of letter in English alphabet. For example, first question, it is given book. Okay, B O K is written, is coded as 43. Okay, book is coded as 43. So you have to tell pen, PEN, is coded as. Okay, PEN is coded as. If book is coded as, okay, what is given? If BOOK is coded as 43, so you have to tell PEN is coded as. Clear? So BOOK. So first of all, you have to check beta. You are starting from left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so you will check B. BOOK. So B is at which place? So AB. So it will be, you can take from, if you are starting from left hand side, means from letter A, so it will be at second place. O, it is given 15th place. This is also 15th place, and this one K. So M, J, K, L, M, and K. J, after J it will be K. So J is at 10th place, so K will be 11th place. Now you can add 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 32 plus 11, so you are getting 43. It means yes, correct. It means you are starting your letters from left hand side, and you can say from A beta. Okay, you are starting from the letter A. So here pen also you will start, you will write these letters in the coded from left hand side only, from the letter A. So P will be at which place beta? P. Okay, M, N, O, after O it will be P. Okay, so 15, after that it will be 16. So P will be coded as 16. E is at 5th place, so 5, and N will be M, N, O. Okay, so before O it will be N. Okay, M, N, O. So 15 is O, so N will be at 14th place. So you can write it will be 14. Now you can add, because here also you are adding the numbers. So it will be 16 plus 5 plus 14. So 21 plus 14, you will get the number 5 and 3, 35. So pen will be coded as 35 if book is coded as 43. Is it clear? So first you have to check, but any number, any letters, it is given, any word, it is given in the language, in the numbers. So first you will check you are starting in the alphabets from right hand side or from left hand side. If you are starting in left hand side and you are getting the correct answer, it means the second number also you will check from the left hand side only. Clear? So like that, this is second part. What is second part? In relation to position of letters in English alphabet. Okay beta, we are doing the number system coding, and in number system coding first one is direct coding I have told, and second one is alphabet coding. Okay, in relation to position of letters in English alphabet. So position of letters I have told you, E, J, O, T, Y, this is the shortcut. Okay, and from E means if you are starting from the number A, so it will be the left hand side of the letters, and if you are starting from the Z, so it will be right hand side of the letter. So if you are starting from A, so E will be 5th position, G will be 10th, O 15th, T 20th, Y will be 25th. And if you are writing this one letter and you are starting from right hand side, so B will be 5th position, Q 10th, L 15th, G 20th, and B will be 25th position. Clear? Now for example, questions will be like that. If book is coded as 43, so pen will be coded as. So beta, for example, first you will check from starting point, means you will start from the left hand side from letter A. So after A, second will be B, so B will be second position. O position is 15, 15. K position is, after J it will be K, so 11th position. And if you are adding, so you are getting 43. So this one also same you will do. You will start from left hand side of the alphabet. So P will be at 16th position, E 5th position, and will be 14th position. You will add them, so you will get the answer 35. Okay. One more example you can see. Second example. So first when the questions are coming like that bit, okay, in the position of letters. So first you can write in rough page or any rough sheet you can use, and you can write the letter E, J, O, T, Y shortcut numbers, okay, and the positions of these letters, okay. So it will be easy for you. For example, second question is given. Question number second is given. Go is coded as 32. E is coded as 32. She, SHE, is coded as 49. So you have to tell SOME is coded as. Okay. So GO is coded as 32. SHE is coded as 49. Okay. And SOME is coded as, you have to tell. So first you will check beta Go, okay, 32 how you are getting. So G, O, okay, if you are starting from the left hand side, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So E, after E it will be F, and after that G. So 6th and 7th position, it will be at 7th position, and O position it is already given 15, and if you are adding them and subtracting them, so you are getting 22, and if you are subtracting, so you are getting 8. Okay beta, but 15 plus 7 it will be 22, but here it is written 32, it means it is wrong. So you can check from right hand side also, okay, you can check from right hand side. So if you will check from this one side, okay, right hand side, so L, after L it will be M, N, O. Clear? L, M, N, O. Sorry, first is G, okay, it is written G. So in the right hand side, or you can say opposite of that, if you are taking from the letter Z, so G is already coded, it is at 20, and O. After L it will be M, N, O. So after 15, this one will be 14th position, 13th position, and this will be 12th position. So it will be at 12th position. So G 20 and O is at 12th position. So 20 plus 12, okay, 20 plus 12 you will get, this is 30. Is it visible? 20 plus 12 you will get the number 32. It means this is correct. It means in this coded, in this question you are starting from right hand side of the alphabets. Okay, that means you are starting from the letter Z. Now you will check SHE also. She, how are you writing 49? So SHE. So you will check this one side. Okay, so S beta, P, Q, Q, R, S. Okay, after Q it will be R and S. So 10, 9 and 8. So it will be 8. H will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So G is at 20th, so H will be at 19th position. E, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so C, B, E. So after B, it will be C. So it means 24th position, 23rd position, and it will be 22nd position. Okay, means 22nd position. E is at 22nd position. Now you can add. So 22 plus 8, it will be 30. you will add them. 30 plus 19, so you will get the number 49. Okay, it means yes, this number, this letter also, this letter also, means this word and this word, go and she, you are using in the English alphabet from the right hand side of the alphabets, and you can say from the Z you are starting. So you have to write some, S-O-M-E. So this one also you will start from the right hand side of the English alphabet. So first one is S. Okay, so P, Q, Q, R, S. After that Q, after Q it will be R, and after that it will be S. So Q position is 10, so it will be 9, and it will be 8. So S position is 8. After that O. So L, after L it will be M, N, O. Okay, M, N, O. So L position is 15, so 14, 13, and it will be 12. Clear? S is 8 position, O position is 12. Okay, is it visible, beta? O position is 12. After that M. Okay, so M position will be L, after that M. So 15th, and this one will be 14th position, because you are taking the letters from letter Z, means right hand side. You are starting from right hand side. After that, beta, E. So E, what is E position? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, B, after B it will be C, D, E. So 25th, it will be 24, 23, and this one will be 22. So it is 12th position. Clear? So S-O-M-E, all the letters you will write in the numbers from the right hand side, and you can say from the Z. Okay, from the Z you will start. Z is as first position, Y second position, like that. Okay, so beta, now you can add them. So 8 plus 12 plus 14 plus 22. So it will be 20 plus 14 plus 22, you will get 6, and 2, 1, 3. Okay, so 20 plus 36, you will get the number 56. So sum is coded as 56. Is it visible? Sum is coded as not visible. So no problem, you can write here. Okay, you have to add them. So it will be 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20, and 20, 14 plus 22, beta, 36. So you will get 56. Okay, so sum S-O-M-E, S 8, O 12, M 14, E 22. So total it will be 20 plus 36, 56. So sum is coded as 56. So first of all, like that, beta, this is second pattern. So in relation to position of letters in English alphabet, you know all the letters. There are total 26 letters in English alphabet. If you are starting from the letter A, so it will be left hand side of the alphabet. If you are starting from Z, so it will be right hand side. And after that, in shortcut, you can write, if you are starting from left hand side, this is from left hand side. Left hand side, okay, is OT. So E5, J10, O15, T20, Y, and this is right hand side. This one is right hand side of the letter. Clear? And right hand side you can learn the number letters B, G, L, Q, P. Clear? After that, questions will be like that. So first of all, any word it is written in the code, so you will check this one, you are starting from the left hand side or right hand side. After that, if you are taking left hand, so you will give the answer in left hand side only. If it is given in right hand side, so you will give the answer in right hand side only. Clear? So like that, you have two types of questions you have to practice. First one is direct coding, and second one is in relation to position of letter in English alphabet. Is it clear, all of you? Next third part we will do in the next class. Thank you all.